I'll be talking to you about safety in the laboratory. It's the responsibility of every good scientist to conduct themselves and their experiments in the safest way possible. Firstly, it's very important not to work alone in the lab, because if something goes wrong, then there's someone to help you. Whenever conducting an experiment, wear safety goggles to protect your eyes, wear a lab coat if you have one, wear clothes to protect your skin, and wear shoes. Also, if you have long hair, then braid it back to make sure it doesn't get in any experiments. It's a very good idea to take out contact lenses when conducting an experiment, because they may make it worse if you get fumes or splash chemicals in your eye. Don't eat or drink anything that's part of a science experiment, and don't use any glassware for food or drink afterwards. Be prepared for your science experiments, read through everything, and make sure everything's in reads before you start. Work in a well-ventilated area, and don't touch your nose, your eyes, your mouth, or your face before you're done with the chemicals and you've had a chance to wash your hands. Never hold a flask up to your nose if you have to smell a sample. Waft the scent over to your nose. And for some experiments, it might even be a good idea to wear a face mask. When you're done with your chemicals, make sure you dispose of them properly. If you don't know how to do that, call your local city center. In case an emergency does happen, it's important to know where all your safety equipment is, like first aid, fire extinguisher, and poison control numbers. In case you get chemicals on your eye or skin, wash it out with plain water for 20 minutes. Never leave your science experiments unmonitored. Attend them at all times. Safety in the lab is very important. But scientists also have a moral responsibility. Before you perform any experiment, stop and think about if you should, and what your actions may lead to.